I would like to tell you about my experience as a teacher working for the organization Study Feeds, which prepares Indian students for their enrollment at a German university. The way it works is that students coming from abroad have to take a standardized test in order to be enrolled in a German university. And Study Feeds helps Indian students who are willing to study in Germany to prepare for this test, as well to prepare them to speak the language accordingly. I have been involved with Study Feeds as a teacher, teaching students from here, from Germany, in India, about chemistry. A lot of students coming from India prepare to study things like medicine or natural sciences or engineering. And for these courses, they are required to have certain knowledge in chemistry, physics, and math. So I volunteered to teach Indian students in chemistry, and my experience with Study Feeds has been very pleasant. Since I teach them over Skype, since they are currently still in India, and teaching them over Skype was surprisingly pleasant and surprisingly easy for me. I had very flexible hours. I could teach from wherever I liked, from a café, from the library, or from home. I could communicate with them at what times I wanted to teach them, and I had close contact with the organizer to see if I was sticking to the schedule and to see if the students were also happy with how I was teaching them. Teaching them itself was also very beneficial to me because I covered a lot of topics that I don't learn about in university anymore, which people expect me to know. But it's always good to refresh those basics. So Study Feeds as a teacher has also taught me a lot, especially because students like to ask questions that sometimes I can't answer, and I am forced to look up. Furthermore, they have been very kind to me, and the students are very engaged, and I can sense a will to study. I can sense a certain curiosity in them, which is very inspiring. And it is also good to know that I am helping students from abroad come to Germany and study what they like in order to have a better life. So I can highly recommend Study Feeds as a teacher coming from abroad, because it's an opportunity that only some people get, and it's also a very flexible way to teach people and to learn more about the program that you're studying, and it's all for a good cause.